Today, I'm going to teach you how to set a timer in Microsoft Forms. This feature is particularly useful when you're creating quizzes or assessments where you need to control how much time participants have to complete their responses. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where all your forms and quizzes are stored. Now that you're in your Microsoft Forms dashboard, look for the option labeled My Forms and click on it. This will display all the forms and quizzes you've created. From here, you can either select an existing form or quiz where you want to add a timer, or if you prefer, you can create a brand new form or quiz from scratch. Choose whichever option fits your current needs. Once you've opened your form or quiz, direct your attention to the top toolbar. This is where you'll find various options for customizing and managing your form. Click on Settings to access the configuration options that control how your form behaves and what features are enabled. After clicking Settings, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel contains all the available settings for your form. Here, you need to look for the option that says Set Time Duration and check the box beside it. This checkbox activates the timer feature for your form. Once you've checked this box, you'll notice a field appears where you can enter your preferred time limit. Simply type in the number of minutes you want participants to have for completing your form or quiz. And that's it. You've successfully set a timer for your Microsoft Forms quiz or form, giving you better control over how your assessments are completed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.